If you're looking for a nice and quick dessert for a small family that can be prepared in the blink of an eye and can be served right away, your search ends here. Today we are going to make a small batch of eggless cupcakes that literally take just 1 minute to bake and do not need any refrigeration, so you can enjoy them as soon as they are ready. If you like this recipe, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now let's get started. To make 1 minute cupcakes, grab a bowl and add 3/4 cup of hot milk and 2/3 cup of brown sugar. In case you don't have brown sugar, you can add white sugar as well. Mix it well till the sugar completely melts into the milk. Then add half teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1/4 cup of refined oil. Give it a good mix. Now place a sieve and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix it well until everything combines. Now divide the batter into 2 equal portions. We are going to make 2 chocolate cupcakes and 2 carrot cupcakes. So in the first bowl, add 1/4 cup of grated carrot and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Mix well. Now here I have 2 teaspoons of milk. Add 1.5 teaspoon unsweetened cocoa powder into it. Mix it well and add it into the remaining half of the batter. Also add 2 tablespoons chocolate chips. Give it a good mix. Divide the carrot and chocolate cupcake batter equally into 4 ramekins. In case you don't have ramekins, you can use any microwave safe teacups or bowls. Microwave them for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Cupcakes are ready. Let them cool down just for 2 to 3 minutes before serving so that you don't burn your tongue. Delicious 1 minute cupcakes are ready to be served. Do try this recipe at home and don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section. Bye bye.